Somebody will make this question, why do we celebrate Janmashtami? So much energy we make. Sometimes we spend what we spend in the whole year on one day. Yeah? For what purpose? This question will be there. So here the answer is there in this purport here. Prabhupada is saying all the elaborate arrangements which are done for the pleasure of the Lord, actually the Lord doesn't need them. Okay? A simple example Prabhupada gives, suppose a child gives to the father some sweet. Father doesn't need. It is from his money anyway you have taken that. He can organize, he can buy thousands of sweets from the market. He doesn't need you. But it is for our good. When we offer service to Krishna, it is for our good. The child is learning how to be obedient to the father. He is learning how to share things. And he is learning to develop relationship to his father. The same way, when we do this gorgeous arrangement, that is also meditation. Sometimes people think meditation is only chanting. Nonsense. When you are walking, you are meditating by your legs towards the temple. Correct? Suppose you are walking towards the temple. Meditation is going on by legs. Meditation happens not only on the holy name, meditation happens through the leg also. Finally, we have to think about Krishna. By walking also you can think about Krishna because you are walking towards the temple. When you are cleaning some temple, that time also you are thinking of Krishna because the activity is for. So all activities actually can be used to meditate on the Lord. Every activity. So here is this very beautiful saying that the life goals and opulences are directly self-sufficiently increasing and unlimitedly increasing you at every moment. Whatever you desire. Sometimes somebody said, some fool, can God create a stone which he cannot lift? Some philosophical puzzle he created. And then atheists feel very happy because generally many people get confused in trying to answer. Why he cannot make a stone which he cannot lift? Prabhupada said, yes, he can make. But then Krishna is not limited. Some values he constant. No, he is always expanding. And then next moment he becomes bigger and he can lift it. He can make at one moment a stone which he cannot lift. Next moment he becomes bigger and lifts it. The spiritual world in the same way, desires of the devotees to serve Krishna are unlimited. And Prabhupada says very sweetly, supply is also unlimited. Just like the gopis desiring association of Krishna. Yes, unlimited supply. Krishna is expanding into 16,000 forms, dancing with each one. Whatever you desire in pure service to the Lord, in which we are not looking for our interest, we are looking for pleasure of the Lord, which is only a devotee does. The rest of the people, they want something from the Lord. So, just like a big festival, what is happening is that we get an opportunity. Yes, how we can satisfy the Lord. We get an opportunity to come out of all the endeavors we do in our 364 days are for our own sense pleasure. One day, an endeavor is done for the Lord's pleasure. Even though Krishna is so opulent, either Vaikunthanatha, Golokanatha, he doesn't need all this. Still, out of his kindness he accepts this. And not that you make an offering and Krishna will accept it. No. It's his kindness. Krishna, can you accept this? I have made something, I have no proper devotion, anything, just come to offer you. Be grateful if you can just accept it. Just like Prabhupada gave an example. When it comes to Australia, some reporters became envious because there was a huge arrangement, opulent arrangement for reception of Prabhupada in Australia. Madhusha was the president there, he organized everything. So somebody said, Swamiji, how much money do you want? Prabhupada said, we can spend all the money of the world, but it's unfortunate you don't give us. He said, don't you can live in a serene way, something simple. So why? If they have a Rolls Royce to take it. Prabhupada said, we can walk actually, it's not that we need that. But it is my grace upon you that I accepted that. Similarly, try to understand this point. Acharya is the representative of Krishna, but no ordinary devotee should try to imitate that. It will be artificial to say that. Just like people go and surrender to an Acharya. This is my life. Acharya says, okay, that's fine. He accepts it on behalf of the Lord. Correct? He doesn't say you're paying obeisance to, no, don't pay here, you pay there. He doesn't say like that. Okay. Prabhupada said, you have to give obeisance. Isn't it? Prabhupada says, whenever you see the Guru, pay obeisance. And then when you are going again, pay obeisance. Correct? So how? So we should not imitate that. We cannot ask for that. An Acharya, yes. An Acharya is a different category. So he has to play the role of training the disciples. And anyway, Krishna also wants devotees to surrender to the Vaishnavas. The whole atmosphere is being created. Training apparently, so that the spiritual world, we don't go as some upstart. We go as fully rehabilitated as a servant of the Lord, servant of the servant of the servant of the Lord. We go like that. So that arrangement is there. So the festivals give therefore an opportunity where thousands of people gather together to serve the Lord in harmony. Exactly the same thing happens in the spiritual world every moment. Spiritual world is called Nitya Utsava. Millions of conditioned, millions of liberated souls in the spiritual world. There are Nitya Siddhas there. They are constantly organizing festivals in glorification of the Lord. For us, we do once in a year. And we just get a taste, an idea of it. And we feel so blissful. It's not, otherwise why do we endeavor for it? Some experience you get during that time, you remember, next year we will do better. It was so pleasant. If we all people gather, we invite all devotees, that's what we do. We're going house to house, inviting, please come. Let us have one day an experience of Vaikuntha in this world, where everybody gathers together to and joins hands. Somebody does something, somebody does something, somebody does. But center is one. And that is what happens in the spiritual world. Center is one, Krishna. In the material world, everybody is the center. And I want my enjoyment, I want my enjoyment. Everybody is the center. Spiritual world, Krishna is the center. And everybody is putting all energies to see Krishna is satisfied. For that, we have such festival. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.